Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be showing you how to water your plants. Now, a lot of times this can be basic and some people do know this, but some people are new and some people are trying to create that green thumb. So I'm going to show you, and this is the concoction I use. I use these bacon racks for draining so that the plant is not sitting in the water, especially when it's terracotta or it has like, you see this plant is something that I created. This pot is something I created and I don't want that twine sitting in water. So when you are watering your plants, I did a video on moisture meters and I'll leave those below, but this moisture meter will detect if your plant needs to be watered. And you see it's over here, which is in the dry area. So when you're watering your plant, you want to point in the middle, right in the base of it. And once you see that water start to drain out the bottom, it is time to stop. So I'm going to pull this down so we can get closer to here. And that way you can see once that water starts to drain, then you can stop. Now this one might be a little slow draining because it's kind of compacted, which is something that they like, but you can see the water coming out. I know when to stop, so that's why I stopped before I seen the water. But once this happens, that means that you have saturated all of the soil in the pot. Don't worry. I let it sit there and let all that water drain as much as it wants, because guess what? The plant is going to drink what it needs. Just like you. When you're full, you're going to stop eating, right? That's how the plants are. So you can put what you want in it, but it is going to stop taking in the water into the roots when it is done. I'm not a plant expert, but I have a lot of experience over years of trying to understand this and loving nature. I'm an earth sign. I love nature. And because of that, plants and just nature and outside just does something to me. And to have it in my home is just like an amazing feeling. Not only that, if you're new to my channel, you wouldn't have heard this, or you probably heard it before. Well, heard it from me. These are the best air purifiers that you can buy. Very inexpensive and very affordable. And you don't have to worry about them clonking out and not working. Plants purify your air. I tried to have at least 4 plants in each room, at least. Now, if they're bigger plants, you can get away with not having as many. But yeah, one day if I haven't, before this video is out, I will be doing a plant tour. And I think I want to do it live because I want people to be able to ask questions while I'm tending to the plants. So yeah, that's how you water your plant. So with any plant, you let it flow all the way through the soil, and as it drains, it is done. Now, I bottom feed my bigger plants. Now, I will link a video in the description of bottom feeding. I'll put the moisture meter videos in there, and I'll also put the plant care playlist just as well, just to be on the safe side so you don't miss any of my videos. So if you are new to my channel and you would like to join the family, all you got to do is subscribe, hit that bell, subscribe, hit that bell, and that bell will notify you every time I load a new video. I'm trying to see what is the best time to load videos. So I started early in the morning recently, and then I've been doing later in the evening. So I'm trying to figure it out, and I don't want you to miss a video. So if you hit that bell, you won't miss a video. And if you have any questions or something you want to see me do on this channel, leave it below. And guess what, guys? If that's it, I will see you guys later, gators.